All right, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. Just taking a look at this here. This is with the wax off of the floor right now. And what I've been doing is going through and using stripper and my floor machine right here, because prior to buying this home, the homeowner, real estate agent, whoever, put on maybe Bona floor wax or Rejuvenate or something that gave it a shine, but that wax then scratches over time and can look really terrible. But after I've taken it off, look at this. Beautiful floors. Floors are protected by polyurethane. They're not meant to be waxed. And if someone or you've accidentally put wax on your floor, don't worry, I can take it off. All right, just wanted to show you though the final result. These floors had a lot of surface scratches in them, and now look at them. They just look fantastic. Beautiful floors. Got a lot of life left in them. So just wanted to show you this down here in the hallway where I'm at right now. So just stripped that off. Just gonna start working on the hallway here. And in this room here, these rooms still have the stripper on the floor. And you can see right here even the difference where I did a sample spot of the finish, and it looks like I'm taking the shiny finish off, but it's actually because the polyurethane is less shiny than the stripper. It's more of a satin or a flat, but the actual polyurethane, once it comes off and gets buffed up, gives you this real nice, beautiful glow right there. So that looks way better than the wax product that whoever had put on this over the floor previously. All right, so finishing this job up, I'll show you the finish here in a little bit, but just wanted to show you the process. I've got a little video I'm gonna show you, a clip of the actual floor stripping machine in action, so you'll get to see all the wax coming up off the floor. All right, all that's left now is to buff out. So I've got some squeaky clean here, which is perfect. Neutral floor buffing out finish, and it just is gonna restore that original shine. I squirted some of this onto it here. So I'm gonna use my floor machine and just buff it out lightly here. And you can see how clean it is. This will just take off any extra residue that might be still on there from after removing the wax. And then this flashes off, this just dries off real quick. Right, just add a little more here. So that's the process. A little bit of squeaky clean, buff it out, the 100% cotton pad, and it's done. You can see at the end there as that's starting to get the final dry, just how nice that's looking. Brought it back to its original wood floor beauty. All right, thank you all.
Thank you very much.
You mind if I get a quick video, just walk around here, just to the floors? Came out fantastic, really excited with how well it went, and impressed with no scratches on the, with very nice. Yeah, I mean, hopefully not too soon because, you know, but I think this will last a good while and they'll look real nice. All right, just finished up the job there, headed back home. We're headed down to Tennessee this week, Gatlinburg area. Got a cabin with the family and excited to spend some time down there. Talked to the homeowners just before I left there and asked them why they chose me, and they said two factors. One was price was fair, and the other one was sounded like I knew what I was talking about. So always good to hear from clients that that I at least sound like I know what I'm talking about, and hopefully do. But even, you know, no matter what, I'm going to figure stuff out. I like being a problem solver, and this one was an easy problem to solve. Remove the wax, buff the floors, beautiful floors. They were so fortunate, those floors had no scratches on the polyurethane. So floors look worse with the wax coat over them. Once it was removed and gone, they looked 100 times better. And in my walkthrough, that you could see just how nice those floors looked. All right, I'm headed home.